In this video, we're going to take a look at what happens when we download a project to a PLC to the values inside of variables. The first thing we need to understand is what happens in the PLC settings. So we'll double click on the PLC and we notice that in most cases we have the checkbox for initialize %MW on cold restart. If I take a look at what that actually means and I go into my data editor table, I have my variable names and I have a value column. This value column should be labeled initial value because the only time these values get put into the variable is on cold restart. And one of the cold restart scenarios is when you download to a controller. So I'm going to come here and take a look at what the value of those variables are right now in the project. Put them side by side here. And right now you can see that I made an animation table of all these variables and there are other values right now. So if I come to the PLC and I transferred this project to the PLC, that is considered a cold start. It will actually stop the processor, and then when it starts running again, you will see that all the values in this column over here now match what the initial value is over here. And you can see that this has no value in it, so it gets set back to 0.